we continue our penny stock education. Okay, there is an exception of what I told you in last video. In last video, I told you that almost all penny stocks that are in what we call over-the-counter markets, they are risky, and you can risk all your money. But there is an exception. There are some penny stocks that are listed in the Nasdaq and NYSE, it means the New York Exchange, and they file their financial to the SEC, which is the Security Exchange Commission. So what about them? Okay, what's the difference between these kind of stocks and the other ones? Now, these stocks are listed in the exchange. Now, what does it mean, listed? It means they should file their financials to the public. It means for you, if you want to buy this company stock, you just go to its file in Yahoo or Nasdaq or New York Exchange, and you can find all the information that you need if you want to invest or even if you want to trade. Okay, at least you will know that this exists, and it has an office and it has customer service, and it's a real company. Okay, even though this stock could be $1 or $2 or $3 or $5, but still it's a legitimate company. Okay, now this is because most of the time mutual funds don't buy them, and this is a major thing for penny stocks. Now, why do you think these mutual funds don't buy them? Because they are too small investment. Okay, they are too small. I will give you an examples in the next following videos. Too small. It means imagine a mutual fund who has $100 billion. Can he go to a stock that it is $1 and he wants to buy this? It's not the way mutual works. Mutual funds wants big companies or medium or small, but small it's not penny stocks. Okay, small it means it has like 500 million or 1 billion capitalization of the company. They can buy that, but a company that it is only $1 million worth, okay, no one will go like a mutual fund and buy it. Okay, now you can buy these penny stocks, but understand that you are risking too much. We will explain this risk in the following videos, so please continue to the next video.